Sikari Tiso to receive the prestigious Community Linguistic Award 2021. SGB Evelson Rongchihon demands apology from MAC Dorseng Ronghang. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. You are with Julie Hansepi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. In a great news that has come for Karbi Anglong, noted writer and linguist Sikari Tiso of Dipu has been selected for the Excellence in Community Linguistics Award for 2021 by the Linguistics Society of America. The news had brought smiles in the family and friends and in every hearts of the Karbis. Sikari Tiso is a resident of Longjon Sarpo village in Dipu town. The awards will be conferred by the Linguistics Society of America, which is based in Washington, D.C., USA. The society was founded in the year 1924 and is one of the world's foremost linguistic organizations. The Excellence in Community Linguistic Award is a prestigious recognition of a strong track record of high-quality work to document and enable the maintenance of the awardee's community language. The LSA website states about this award, first established in 2013, this award recognizes the outstanding contribution that members of language communities, typically outside the academic sphere of professional linguists, to make for the benefit of their community's language. The contributions made by any awardee may be varied, including, among other things, documentation work with a linguist as a consultant and efforts towards language revitalization. Internationally acclaimed linguist Dr. Linda Anna Connor, through a press release, informed that Sikari Tiso has been notified by the co-chairs of the award committee, Professor Carmen Jenny and Professor Raki Sepian, CCD, to this message. The award ceremony will take place on Wednesday, January 13, 5 to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. She also states that Tiso is receiving this award due to his tireless efforts in working on and for his native Karbi language. Following this, Sikari Tiso had shared his happiness and excitement on being selected for the award.
Nasolam bangke India sordele nang chini ya sama sordele nang chini galila pilthia dang nang chini po ili tumapan hala so an nili laso alam ke pon thai ke pod ningrong pik la penji si bang ningrong la pula chun lim le pusna me panchen kang pa hoi pa hai lo pod la dak ban ka chipat ti radim an ke la non obiti ne tum long po kang tum klem pan lang se kimia ko ili tum saya kimi ke panchen pon zon la non nili ke klem optak ada cepat tirse ke klaim aja kong nan obiti ne tum long po Linguistics Society of America pu thea thak ke plang o mate ke duk up pe pen ke virang rang ji alam tum phan ke pareng thua farman ke cepat du isi song do Linguistics Society of America hala tum niliphan Sontaman kawai ne metang ke cicini ne serta bertarung lo 2021 suri ini dapat inkorasi ini kan ke nali pandangan kawai lo nali men ke doer lo jo nali ke lo so bertani ini tentang lo.
Sikari Tiso has been both documenting the Karbi traditional language and developing the modern language, in particular through publishing books and articles and audio-video recording knowledgeable community members. He has extensively served the Karbi Lameramai and co-founded the Center for Karbi Studies. Currently, Tiso is documenting the Karbi song language and traditional lullabies, while also focusing on Karbi lexicology, both to edit a comprehensive dictionary of the Karbi language and as a chief editor of a multilingual dictionary project involving an indigenous community, languages of the region. The District Press Club of Karbi Anglong, led by its president Kiri Ronghang and General Secretary Daniel Sonbe, had on Saturday visited Tiso and felicitated him. They had congratulated him for bringing such good news for the district. Bikram Cross report from Dipu for Karbi Anglong Live. In the latest news, SGB Evelson Rongchihon has accused Puloni MAC Dorseng Ronghang of disrespecting and threatening to remove him from his post. This was stated in a press conference on Saturday. The SGB of B. Rongchihon near Center Market under the Puloni MAC constituency told reporters that The elected representative of Puloni constituency had heard his sentiment along with the villagers he represents and their entire SGBs, while he along with his another person went to meet the local MAC on December 9 to request and avail SGB letter required for applying land pattas for his villagers. The SGB charged the MAC for making unnecessary remarks and statements which was highly disrespectful without any valid reason and threatening him of removing him from his post. The SGB has demanded an apology from the local MAC, stating that the remarks were a direct insult to the entire SGBs and therefore such unwanted statement was unbecoming of an elected representative or MAC.
Radapan la long pota bunai pusi rapen bahini rong pen bahini dam lo amat long pota bunai pusi ahem dam lo pet isi hang dam amasi alang bang nang pulo pet tane nang pidu nai te lihat si nang purong amat ne pan directly la nang check dar lo je thunoi damoi non manam tu pipidei one pin sinang pu la pen do thulang wrong apanta ni facility nang pipe ma bua hoita dolang towa nang pipe ma dongkor nang pipe ma hai hoita nang pulang ding nang pipe ma fil nang thok the ma pulhai ta nang pulang la pen nang to tirim pen ala hem ta pen nang ching thunoi pu ko ma sin nang phana chingthu da moi punai pu mati pu anta nang pulang.
Dirchana Rongpis report from Puloni for Karbeng Long Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news. Nanglitum adamasar mai lapen kapre rong aji ki tunjia phan pindeng gaching thangja ka dure do ikma jongsi do pulo dangte matha ikri homri da mignon pindeng pangrum akula ralong Northeast lapen Karbi Anglong along nong nam ka chithang klong bangphi designer pirbi bepi non hejong kapaklangmi so arlo atum kaching thanga pindeng pini pekok lapen wamkong kula ralong kapaklangmi lang mesen do Nasi humri dam igra nali domning ke hanga tengpen chongwai dam iktham apen ka humri dam nang jadim lake la biarlong ke tok hanlo
Namaskar, I am Nitin Khade, Chief Electoral Officer, Assam. As you must be aware, the draft electoral roll has been published. I would like to appeal to all our young citizens who have attained 18 years of age or will be 18 by 1st of January 2021 to enroll your name in the electoral roll. The forms are available with the BLO of your polling station and also with the ERO of the assembly constituency of which you are a voter. It can also be downloaded from our website coassam.nic.in or nvsp.in. Fill it up and submit it to your BLO or ERO. You can also submit it online at nvsp.in. Please come forward and become a responsible citizen. Your vote gives you the right to shape the nation. Thank you.
Welcome back after a break. NGO Jambili on Saturday organized a free eye checkup for villagers of Bordega Timung village. The eye checkup camp was conducted in collaboration with ERC Eye Care Hub Hospital based in Nagaon. The free eye checkup camp was held at Bordega Timung LP School playground falling under the Deopani MAC constituency. Over 85 people of the local and adjoining villages turned up for the eye checkup. ECR Eye Care Hub Hospital's doctors who carried out a checkup told the people and media that people having Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana card would receive operation and medical expenses for free. The organizer told Karbi Anglong Life that they are still deliberating on to organize similar program at different places inside the constituency in the coming days. Shubhas Terang report from Langchithing for Karbi Anglong Live. With an aim to carry out more developmental works in the rural areas, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Khonsing Rongpi had on Saturday inaugurated 5 MGNREGA schemes within its constituency. Here is the report. The MGNREGA schemes inaugurated by the EM have been sanctioned by the Haraghat Development Block. EM Khonsing Rongpi was accompanied by Hawarkehat VDC Chairman Ganesh Inghi, BJP Mandal President Ramayan Chauhan, Haraghat Development Block JE Purnit Rajyam, and several employees of the BDO's office. MGNREGA schemes that were inaugurated were in Chitalmari LP School, Beluguri Kanki Basti, Samuguri and Bhajaroni Borbel PS. During the occasion, a local entrepreneur, Pinku Nat, also had his disposable glass and plates factory inaugurated by the EM. Pinku Nat told media persons that he had imported the machines from Delhi and the raw materials from Guwahati. Harsin Rompi report from Hawarkehat, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.